When it comes to your money and your plans, it can be hard to balance short-term wants, long-term dreams, and those unexpected events that are out of your control. From the groceries you need, to the retirement you want, and the car repair bill that's looming, it can be hard to figure out how to tackle bills at the same time you plan for the future. This video can help you on this. It takes you step by step through what you need to know to create a personal financial plan and help get your money in order. In 7 steps, you have a nice framework to build on throughout your life. It's okay if you've already started a few of these steps. It's also okay if you haven't. Just start with one task and keep going. Or just tackle the whole thing on a long, rainy weekend with a big pot of coffee and a dog at your feet. Let's get started. 1. Set financial goals. It's always good to have a clear idea of why you're saving your hard-earned money. To be clear on this, you need to set short-term and long-term financial goals. 2. Create a budget. Consider this your monthly cash flow and savings/investing plan. Give yourself permission to decide where and how to spend your money. U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren popularized the 50/20/30 budget rule in her book, All You're Worth: The Ultimate Lifetime Money Plan. The rule is to split your after-tax income into 3 categories of spending: 50% on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on savings. 3. Plan for taxes. It can go a long way toward helping you keep more of your money next year. Plan about potential income tax credits and deductions for upcoming year. 4. Build an emergency fund. All the planning in the world won't help if life throws you a curveball and you're not prepared financially. That's where an emergency fund comes in handy. It is very important to deal with uncertainties the life might go through. 5. Manage debt. Understanding and managing debt is a key part of creating a financial plan. As we all know, debt is tax-free. However, excess debt might disbalance your cash flow. Hence, use debt up to your comfort level. 6. Protect with insurance. Life can change in an instant. People with a good financial plan hope for the best, but plan for the unexpected. Insurance helps with that. 7. Plan for retirement. Even if it's a long way off, think about what you want your money to do for you when you retire, and create a plan to make it happen. You can consider various retirement plans available in the market for this. Saving is difficult, and life often throws unexpected expenses at us. By following the 50/20/30 rule, individuals have a plan with how they should manage their after-tax income. If they find that their expenditures on wants are more than 20%, they can find ways to reduce those expenses that will help direct funds to more important areas such as emergency money and retirement. Life should be enjoyed, and it is not recommended to live like a Spartan, but having a plan and sticking to it will allow you to cover your expenses, save for retirement, all at the same time doing the activities that make you happy.